Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a place in a village that you visited. So,
I belong to Shakargarh. It is a part of district Narwal. There are many villages near my hometown. During about 2 years back, one of my brother's friends invited us to own their farmhouse to spend holidays. Their father built this farmhouse for meeting purpose and spend holidays. The name of this farmhouse is Jammu House. Jammu House. I travel with my brothers to spend holidays with them. They have planted different kinds of fruit trees and vegetable trees, like fruit trees like mango trees and peaches and etc. They have also different kinds of animals like deer, peacock, and dogs.
all right, thank you very much. It's not deer, it's deer. D-double-E-R is not deer, deer, okay? And other deer is my deer, okay? All right, overall it is good, but you need to speak in a way that is conversational style. The way you are talking now, it sounds like you have crammed something and you are speaking something from your memory. So try to have natural conversational style. Let's move on to speaking part 3. Do you prefer to live in a village or city?
I prefer to live in a village. Because I am also belongs to a village. There was no noise pollution and quite pleasant environment.
Okay, you said I am belongs to a village. What's the mistake here? I belong to a village, or I am from a village. I belong to or I am from. So grammatical mistakes, okay?
Okay.
Should overcome these as well. Thank you.